Yamaha TW200, a dual-sport motorcycle that has earned a legendary reputation for simplicity, reliability, and go-anywhere attitude. Whether you're a beginner rider, an off-road explorer, or someone looking for a fun and practical machine, the TW200 continues to prove why it has remained largely unchanged for decades. The Yamaha TW200 was first introduced in the late 1980s, designed as a lightweight dual-sport bike capable of handling both pavement and trails. Over the years, Yamaha has made only minor updates, focusing on emissions, reliability, and small refinements. This long production run speaks volumes about the bike's success. Instead of chasing trends, Yamaha kept what worked, creating a motorcycle that feels timeless and purpose-built. At the heart of the Yamaha TW200 is a 196cc air-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine. It may not sound powerful on paper, but this engine is tuned for usability rather than speed. Power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it ideal for new riders and relaxed trail riding. The 5-speed transmission is geared low, allowing excellent control at slow speeds, which is especially helpful when navigating rocky trails, sand, or mud. One of the TW200's biggest advantages is its impressive fuel efficiency. The engine sips fuel conservatively, often delivering excellent mileage under real-world conditions. Combined with a modest fuel tank, the bike offers a practical riding range suitable for daily commuting, backroad adventures, and off-grid exploration. This efficiency makes the TW200 economical to own and operate. The Yamaha TW200 features a lightweight steel frame that contributes to its approachable handling. With a low seat height and manageable overall weight, the bike feels stable and confidence-inspiring. Riders of different sizes can comfortably control the motorcycle, whether on city streets or uneven trails. The upright riding position adds comfort and visibility, reducing fatigue during longer rides. The suspension setup on the TW200 is simple but effective. With a telescopic front fork and a rear monoshock, the bike is designed to absorb bumps and uneven terrain, rather than deliver sporty performance. This setup shines on trails, dirt roads, and rough surfaces, where comfort and control matter more than aggressive handling. While it's not built for high-speed jumps or racing, it excels at steady, controlled riding. One of the most recognizable features of the Yamaha TW200 is its oversized tires. The wide front and rear tires provide exceptional traction on loose surfaces such as sand, snow, gravel, and mud. This unique tire setup gives the bike a planted feel and allows it to go places where many other motorcycles struggle. For riders who enjoy exploring off the beaten path, this feature alone makes the TW200 stand out. Although the TW200 is often praised for its off-road abilities, it performs surprisingly well on pavement. It handles city traffic with ease and feels stable at moderate speeds. While it's not designed for high-speed highway cruising, it works well for short commutes, rural roads, and urban environments. Its nimble nature makes it easy to maneuver through tight spaces and crowded streets. The braking system on the Yamaha TW200 is straightforward and reliable. A front disc brake and rear drum brake provide adequate stopping power for the bike's weight and performance level. The brakes are easy to modulate, which helps maintain control on slippery or uneven surfaces. This simplicity also contributes to low maintenance costs and long-term durability. The TW200's design is rugged and functional. It carries a classic dual-sport look with minimal bodywork and a utilitarian approach. The exposed frame, simple graphics, and wide tires give it a distinctive appearance that sets it apart from modern, aggressively styled motorcycles. This design philosophy aligns perfectly with the bike's purpose as a dependable, no-nonsense machine. Reliability is one of the strongest selling points of the Yamaha TW200. The air-cooled engine, carbureted setup, and simple mechanical components make it easy to maintain. Routine servicing can often be handled by owners with basic mechanical knowledge. Yamaha's reputation for durability further enhances the bike's appeal, especially for riders who value long-term ownership. The Yamaha TW200 is well suited for a wide range of riders. Beginners appreciate its forgiving power delivery and low seat height, while experienced riders enjoy its versatility and charm. It's an excellent choice for trail riding, farm use, camping trips, and light commuting. Its ability to adapt to different environments makes it a true multi-purpose motorcycle. Many owners choose to customize their TW200 with accessories such as luggage racks, skid plates, handguards, and upgraded lighting. These additions enhance the bike's utility and allow riders to tailor it to their specific needs. The strong aftermarket support makes customization easy and accessible. The strengths of the Yamaha TW200 lie in its simplicity, reliability, and off-road capability. However, it's important to recognize its limitations. The engine is not designed for high-speed performance, and long highway rides can be tiring. Despite this, the bike excels at what it's meant to do: provide dependable, enjoyable riding in diverse conditions. The Yamaha TW200 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a tool for exploration and enjoyment. Its enduring design, user-friendly nature, and go-anywhere attitude make it a favorite among riders worldwide. If you're looking for a motorcycle that prioritizes fun, versatility, and reliability over raw speed, the TW200 remains one of the best choices in the dual sport category.